Good morning, everyone. We will, in this session, we will continue with the screw jack assembly and look at the other parts. In the previous session, we saw how to model the body, and I hope that is clear to you. The commands I used and planes I used for sketch creation, profiles, and then add the material and remove the this thing. So keep practicing with your split edge and software. Meanwhile, in this session, we will continue the rest of the parts and finish those component model creation. So again, you go to solid edge and open your part drawing. Look at the material schedule here. The part serial number 2 is not a gunmetal made up of gunmetal, and it is called as 1. Go to solid part and then again go to file, save, summary. I will place nut and under project I will put 2, save, OK, and I will save it as 002 and then go to tools material table. It is made up of gunmetal. I will specify the material here and save it. Now look at this part. Here he has given this is the half sectional front view and top view. The maximum size here is 90 dia cylinder and 45 height. So quickly use your XY plane. Draw the 90 diameter circle here. I will use this diameter option. Say 90, enter. You can constrain with the dimension. Then come back. Then add the material. The material is specified here is 45. So give the distance command here in this option 45. So 45 is got the material. So you can here you can revolve the shape, this outer shape. If you draw it and revolve it, that is enough. Or you can have a circles, 50 dia circle and push it 10 mm, and here also it is 50 dia circle, push it another 45 minus 20. Your quickly you can create this component. I will just take the top face of this cylinder and I will draw 50 dia circle here, and I will go to return command and then I will use this cutout option to remove this. You see, the moment I use G inside, it will by default it will take inside. There is an option called here side step. If you click on it, it will ask the direction. I want to remove the outside of this circle. I want to retain the inside material. So here it is 10 mm from the top. You can see here. From here I should retain the 50 mm material and remaining I don't want it. So 10 mm I will give depth, I will give here. So in the distance column you just type 10 and enter and right click on this. That material is gone, and then hide this sketch and go to top bottom. Similar process if you do it. Draw another 50 dia circle here and icon return icon, go to 3D environment, same cutout option, and here this is cutout side step. Click on it. It will ask the direction on which the material to be removed. Here 45 minus 20. 40, say 45 minus 20, because in the drawing from here it is 45, from 10 plus 10 20. This material is 45 minus 20, that is 25, or 45 minus 20 you can give it. Now say enter. Your shape is major shape has come now, and now you can see the other removal. There is a hole in it. Here in top view he has shown it is 38 into 7 is the pitch. It has square thread with 7 pitch. This square symbol reveals that it is square thread. So you can have a hole option here, and radius he has given as 5. Only operations are left here, one drilling one hole and giving the radius. And you quickly go to this hole option, take the planar face. It will ask you see the command prompt, click on the planar face or reference plane. It will ask only planar face. On the top you can drill the hole, or you can take this bottom face as your drilling face. I will choose the top face. So top face will be came into sketcher mode. It will go to sketcher mode. Here once you go into the sketcher mode, you go to here. There is one icon, hole circle, hole options. Okay, different types of holes you can drill. So here I will just click here. It is a threaded hole, and I will just take the diameter is 38, and it is a square thread. Here M38, I will use TR38. M stands for metric thread and TR stands for square thread. So use this TR38 into 7 thread, and the whole thread is drilled to the whole extent, up to the whole extent. And here are some through all, because hole is up to the material, so I will use through all option and say OK. Then you just place that preview onto center of this circle, and then go back with the return command. Just say right click on the mouse, the drill hole will be in there, and here the thread will be represented by green surface. You will not see the thread in this software. That surface, green surface represents it is threaded. You can see in the, once you generate the drafting view, you can see the threads on the drawing itself. Here green surface itself represents it is threaded. Okay, now other things are just you look at this drawing. The radiuses are left here. He has mentioned 5 radius, and here 5 radius. You just go to the round command, press on it, and select these edges 5. Right click on the mouse button. Here radius is already 5, no need to mention it. Okay, and then here also he has mentioned 5. Okay, here you can give, he has not mentioned, so give 1 radius here. So I think all the dimensions what we is given in the drawing, we have finished it. So now just fit it onto the screen in isometric view, and go to tools, hide all planes. Why I am hiding these planes means when you call this in assembly mode, all along with model, so many planes will be come onto the file. So instead, if you n number of planes will make you confusion. In order to avoid the confusion, hide all the reference planes, sketches. Only model should be there onto the screen before you save this part. You can change the color of this, and that is your wish. I don't insist you. I will change the color to differentiate the parts in the assembly. Then save this. It is saved. Then close it. Now look back to the go to the folder. The part 002 is being saved. If you want to check it, you just open it and see in the part is saved. Okay, and in the next session we will take the next part. Okay, we will see in the next session.